Okay, what we're going to do is recharge the air conditioner. We're just going to put more fluid in the air conditioner. There's different kinds. They're all pretty much well the same now. Try to get one with a sealer in it just in case you have a small leak. Most of them come with a hose, so you just pop the cap off. Screw on the hose. And then there's a gauge here. It's a pressure gauge, air pressure gauge. And what you want to do is fill it up until it's in the yellow. So 45 to 55. There's a chart on the back. It has to do with the temperature outside and how much pressure should be in your air conditioner. You don't want to overfill your air conditioner. So it's 85 degrees out here, so they're saying 45 to 55 air pressure, so it's 45 to 55, that's in the yellow. So here's the port that you put this thing on here. There's one in the back and one in the front. That plug only fits one of them, so there's no chance to put it on the wrong one. So just unscrew that cap. Try not to lose it. And then it works best if you hold the can upside down, so the fluid runs out of it. And they say to shake it every now and then too as you're putting the fluid in. So it only takes a second. It takes about 5 minutes or so to put this stuff in. And the only pressure reading that counts is when the air conditioner kicks on. You can hear it clicking on and off. That's the air conditioner coming off and on. So turn your air conditioner on full blast, and then put in the fluid. So just put that gauge, that nozzle there, and then press the button here, and then watch the gauge when the air conditioner kicks on. So mine's still at 45 there. So we put one can in a couple weeks ago, but it's still not getting cool. So I'm thinking the first can probably sealed up the small leaks. But then there wasn't enough fluid in there to actually make it cold. So I'm hoping to get lucky. If it works, if it doesn't, then I have to bring it to a garage. Well, that's not looking good. Gauge went down to 35 now.